could take some seconds. You can smile at our audience, say hello. So I think 2 minutes are running from now.
Okay, so hello. Controlling your devices at home is getting way too difficult. All those different remote control, gateways, and smartphone apps are making that you serve technology more than technology is serving you. And a lot of smart home systems are not that smart at all, relying on an app for everything you do. Technology can and should do better, and that is why we made Homey. Homey is a single device that integrates all the wireless technologies you have at home into one single powerful platform which combines them. It not only talks to all your wireless devices, but also to internet, to your information services. So it knows the weather forecast, your last emails, and your next calendar appointments. It doesn't only talk to products and services, but it also talks to you. That's right, you can directly talk to Homey to control everything you want to do. Just tell Homey what to do and he takes care of the technology, so you are left with the fun. With Homey, we plan to support all devices across all the different technologies from all brands, and to do that, we are building Homey as a platform, an open platform, which we give the essential, the most popular devices, but then open it up to developers and product manufacturers to also implement their products and their services, to expand the functionality and the value of Homey for everyone, every day. And with that, we are making the real intelligent home come true, just like Jarvis from Iron Man. So this prize comes as a really good timing for us, because it will give us a little bit of publicity and retail knowledge at a time just months before we are launching to our first 1,000 customers who have already pre-ordered one by our Kickstarter campaign or by our own website. So help us make a real intelligent home come true, and make your home and your life better, smarter, easier, and just more fun with Homey. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. I have to say, I really love Homey, but I tried to talk to him, but it wasn't possible. You know why? So many people around your booth.
It is a little busy right here, and it has some, the technology isn't ready yet, but when we launch, it will even be possible to talk to him in more crowded spaces.
No, it's not a problem with the crowded spaces, but all the people want to talk to Homey. So
I know, yeah. Homey is
plan.
pretty popular, yeah.
So any questions about Homey and FM?
Yeah, what makes you think that you can compete against the Googles of the world who are in this space also?
Yeah, so the Googles of this world all have a slightly different approach. Google, for example, with Nest, are building their own platform connected with their own devices and some others. And what they really do is take the control from you as user and decide what the devices should do. For example, the Philips Hue integration is just turning on a light bulb when your smoke alarm goes off. And what we plan to do is put the user in control, be the king of your own castle, and make sure we connect to everything, also through the Nest systems, but also to other systems, so that you, as a consumer, have freedom of choice and can control the things in the way you want it to be. And yes, we use AI, but we use it to suggest you new scenarios instead of forcing stuff down your throat to make sure you behave in the way we want to. We don't want to do that.
Any other questions? Mr. Engelhardt.
Since the ecosystem is a key part of your strategy, what are tangible milestones in the strategy to enable other developers and partners? Where are you on that road?
So of course we ship directly with an open API and SDK, and also an own IDE, which is based on JavaScript development. So it's quite easy for every developer to learn and to come. We have reached already a few milestones with having our SDK internally released and our API documented, and it will release even before Homey is being shipped. With our Kickstarter, over half of the people indicated that they are a geek backer. They paid extra for their own transceiver so they can tinker already with Homey, and we have a strong community in that. But the most important part is, of course, also for us, we have a pool of students already developing apps. So we support all the popular products already right out of the box. So we don't rely solely on external developers, but make sure we can get a critical mass also without it.
We have 1 minute left. Any more questions?
How big is your team, and what's the educational background of each member?
Okay, so I want to each member, because we're now a team of 15. So the founders, we both have, two founders have both an educational background in technology and design, creative technology it's called, but I'm more experienced towards sales and my co-founders more into making products. And next to that we have electrical engineers, embedded engineers, software developers, platform developers, app developers, artificial intelligence, to all working together on this project.
Marketing experience?
Yes, a little bit so far, but we are attracting that right now with some more experienced people from similar companies and partner companies.
So, thanks a lot. Time is over. A small question, very, very small.
What use cases do you focus on initially? Because if you connect everything, everything is possible, but you have to have some priority.
That's good, that's true, that's true. The killer apps would, for example, be, of course, also with the energy savings. When you're leaving, you're saying goodbye, everything goes up, your climate turns down, and Homey warns you if it's going to rain within the next hour, so you can take an umbrella, where you really see the synergy between online services and controlling your devices, but also watching a movie or just playing music and telling Homey what you want to watch, and then connecting your media server with your television and your stereo and your lights and your curtains would be really cool killer apps in the beginning. But if you have any suggestion for killer apps, you're welcome to come by and give us some. We're always open to new suggestions.
Thanks a lot to Ethan. Say hello
Thank you too.
from me.